360 video right here, because this is a cool part of the trail. You can see what I'm trying to walk on here with these rocks and leaves, which leaves can be slippery like slush and snow when they're wet. Thankfully they're dry, but that doesn't mean you're still not going to see me fall on my ass and break myself. I just want you to see what it's like walking on a trail in the woods. I'm going to hold the GoPro in my hand for backup video. So we'll walk down this way. Woman in my ear just said I did 3 miles in 1 hour. That's 20 minutes per mile, so that's not good time. That is not good time. I usually get 16 or 17, 18 minutes per mile. So that always happens when walking in the woods. It takes a little more time. You don't walk as fast. You have to walk over rocks. Plus I stop and look at things, because there's things to look at. Like this spot here is where I ran into a porcupine one time, on one of my walks, not long ago actually. I just tripped on a branch sticking out of the ground, which is another hazard you have to watch for. So we will traverse down this decline. So the animals are all going to be very happy at all the rain we're going to get Monday. Now the last time they predicted a lot of rain for us, it was a dud. We didn't get it. Barely got anything. Most of it went in northern Maine. They got saturated up north. So the animals up there are probably happy. Oh, let's walk down this way. This is not a very friendly trail to walk on in the wintertime when you get snow and ice. This is actually, there's been times I've had to walk around the perimeter of it because of that. I've only fallen a couple times, thankfully. One of them actually was because it was starting to warm up and the mud had been frozen from the fall, and so most of the ground was frozen. Then I stepped on that spot that wasn't, and my foot came right out from underneath me, and it was right on a decline. So my feet went right up in the air and I landed on my keister, which did not feel good. Doesn't feel good at 20, feels even worse over 50. Not a fan. It was not an enjoyable experience. So we'll head down to the bottom here, then I'll stop recording. And then we're going to head over across the field. Head over across the field, see what the foliage looks like. Last time I went through there, I was like, oh, this is starting to look nice. And we'll see how it looks today. That was a couple weeks ago. So we shall go through there once we come down to the Whale Rock sign. The whale is rocking, don't come a knocking. Alright, my friends. Here we are. Today's 360 video clip on the 360 playlist.